YouTube, let's get it. Back with another vid, YouTube. It's your boy Big Gap. And today, in front of us, baby, we got the Hobao Hyper vs2. We finna go ahead and get the electronics in, get the body painted, get everything going, and we're gonna get out of here. It's not gonna be a long video, but we are gonna do a slight unboxing to show everything that this 80% roller comes with. So, starting everything off, I'm gonna let y'all know the electronics. We're going with the 2250 from XC ESCs. This is a 3 to 6S ESC. Next up, we're going with the 160 amp E8 from XC ESCs, baby. Y'all see it right there, it's 160 amps. We're going with the servo from Hobby Park, 35 kilogram servo, coreless, brushless servo. And last but not least, we're going with the FlySky G11P receiver, baby. Let's get it. So I'm gonna get the camera set up right, get this box down, get this unboxing going. Hold tight, I'll be back with you in 1 second. All right, y'all. Popping this box, baby. Popping this box. This is a light racer slash basher buggy, but y'all know I like to defy the odds. I like to race with cars that they think you can't race with and still be able to win. So coming in the box, you got your manual right there. Like I said, this is a 80% roller. Got your wing mount right there. Look like your motor mount is right there. Got your tires right there. We even gonna do something special with these tires. Got your tires right here and your wheels. We're gonna do something special with the wheels. Let me say that, not the tires. We're gonna do something real nice and special with the wheels. So there goes your 4 wheels. You have to glue these yourself. Get those out of the way. And last but not least, here's your buggy. Move the box. Hiya. There goes your buggy right there. You have to do, the good thing about an 80% roller is most of the cars, a lot of the cars, most of us, especially, you know, the more advanced people, we're gonna change electronics anyway, because a lot of times the stock electronics just don't be enough. So in most case scenarios, we're gonna change them anyway. So with an 80% roller, save you a few dollars. I think this one was like $329 or something like that. And in most cases, this car's RTR be $500, so save you a little bit of money. Right there, get this body off. There's a nice clear shell. We're gonna get to painting this immediately because weather constrictions. So I have to really get these videos done within the next few days. We've been having really good sunny, really good 70-degree days here in Georgia for the next few days. So I have to hurry up and get this body painted. But there she goes right there in a nutshell. As you can see, your battery tray is right there. The ESC mount is right there, a little small, but we'll make that work. The only thing that's kind of skeptical is this receiver box. The receiver box may not be big enough for my receiver, so I may have to figure out another way to make that work. But there's your servo mount right there. Servo saver, you got double wishbone suspension. That's your wing mount back there to get your wing on there. Yeah, and there she goes in a nutshell, man. Metal chassis. This is a 1/8 scale buggy. I'm digging the dirt guards right here, the mud guards on the rear. So there she goes, man. Suspension feel pretty good on there right out of the box. So there she goes. Let's start getting this thing together. I'll be back with y'all when we get all the electronics in. Hold tight. All right, we're back. Let's pop this pop this motor open first. That's gonna be the very first step, is to get the motor on. And then we'll move to the servo and we'll do the ESC last. So let's pop this motor open, get a quick look at it. Like I said, this is a 2250. This combo is equivalent to the Max 8, the Hobby Wing Max 8 combo. So equivalent to that. But there's the motor. Right there, it is a, what size is it? 4278. 4278, 2250 censored. So got the motor out, let's get it in the car. All right, ladies and gentlemen, she is done. The Hyper vs2 is done. I just gotta glue the tires on there, and I thought I had connectors for the ESC, but I actually don't have any ESC connectors, so got to do that. But I'm gonna let y'all see on the inside if I can get it off. This body is a little tricky with this little slide-in thing in the back. But there she goes. Got our ESC in there, motor in there, nice and tidy. Wires, it was kind of tough to do the wires. I did figure out a way somewhere to put my my receiver. It wouldn't fit in this box, so I had to put it up here on top of the servo. But this truck is for racing. It's not really for bashing, so it should be fine. I moved all the wires out of the way and all that good stuff. Like I said, I need my ESC connector right there. But other than that, she is a wrap. Everything is in there nice and smooth. So she gonna be ready to go. She gonna be ready to go really, really soon. Really, really soon, y'all. So next big race when the weather clears once again. It's beautiful out there this weekend, but I wasn't racing. I couldn't get to the track this weekend. But in the next few weekends, when we have another nice days like this, I'm gonna get it to the track and do some testing, and then for the next big race, we will be ready to rock and roll. Like I said, this body is a little difficult to get on because of the where my wires are, but you have to kind of like manipulate it down. It has this little clip on the back. I wish you could lift the clip up a little bit. It has this little nose on the back where the back has to go in first, like so. Then get the front down, and there it goes. Get your body pin back in there. Something stopping me. There we go. Get your body pin back in there like so, and there she goes, man. All right, that's the Hobao Hyper vs2 video. I appreciate y'all sticking around watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, dislike, whatever you like. YouTube, and I'm in it.